This is our fire rated pleated panel. Can be used for air entering or exiting a booth or preparation area. What we've got here is an aluminium frame that is riveted, so it's a single piece aluminium that's bent and folded into shape and then is riveted, so there's only the one joint in there. Pleated with strengtheners on the back. So with this one here, the air enters this side, so this is either the air from outside of your area entering here and going into your spray booth here, or leaving your spray booth and going outside. So why would you use a fire rated panel? Really depends upon your individual requirements. You will know, I think, is really the answer to that. So it can depend on your particular setup, your booth or your preparation area itself, or it could be what it is you are painting or spraying, or indeed the paint or the product that you are finishing off. So you will know whether you need these panels. We do a full range of sizes, both in thickness and in overall dimensions. If there's any questions you may have on these, just get in touch and we'll help out.